Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the cloud. Number 1. Clouds are collection of teeny water droplets or ice crystals in the sky. Number 2. They come in various shapes, sizes and types. Number 3. Clouds move with the wind. Number 4. Clouds can change shape constantly. Number 5. Clouds can be seen during the day and night. Number 6. Clouds can form at any altitude. Number 7. Clouds bring moisture to different parts of the world. Number 8. They often create beautiful sunrises and sunsets. Number 9. They bring rain to different regions. Number 10. Clouds play a vital role in the water cycle on Earth. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.